Now moving on to the other story from the capital and northern India that we are tracking is that how there has been a fog blanket that's engulfed the entire region. Earlier in the morning, the visibility had dipped to minimal. Many international flights were cancelled. Around 10 international flights, we given to understand, were cancelled. Trains were delayed. People getting late for work as well. But more importantly, it's fog mixed with pollution as pollution levels go higher up in the capital as well. My colleagues getting us this report. Parveena getting us this report from New Delhi railway station first.
Delhi winters, fog and the delays of flights and trains walk hand in hand. Once again, Delhiites woke up to foggy weather this morning. The entire national capital was enveloped with a dense fog, and hence a lot of trains got delayed, rescheduled or even cancelled. We are here at New Delhi railway station where many passengers are running late. They are waiting for their trains to arrive. Many even 24 hours late because of weather conditions. They are even told that they are getting late. They are told the trains are cancelled or delayed several times because of the weather conditions. You can see on the New Delhi railway station, these passengers gather. They're waiting for their trains. There is a board, there's an announcement flashing and showing and announcing that it will delay with several hours or delay with 4 or 3 hours. Continuous announcement of the delay of trains. Here I have with me few passengers who are waiting for their train. Sir, आप बता रहे थे आप कल रात से रुके हुए हो, आपका ट्रेन कैंसिल
8:40 की ट्रेन थी, सुंदर रानी थी, हमें मधुबनी जाना था, रात से वेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। अभी भी 11:30 बजे टाइम बताया उन्होंने।
आपको कहाँ जाना था?
मधुबनी जाना है, बिहार जाना है।
अभी बोला है कब तक आए?
11:30 का टाइम दिया उन्होंने।
उन्होंने क्या बोला, मौसम के लिए ना किसकी क्या?
उन्होंने बोला पे लिखा हुआ है पढ़ लो, तो 11:30 का लिखा हुआ है, सुंदर रानी वही है। उन्होंने पूछा है तो मतलब बताने की राज नहीं कर रही है वो।
One of them that they are waiting here. They do not know when the train will leave. They've just asked them to read the board because there are many passengers. It's difficult to manage. Here we have another set of passengers who are waiting for their train. Ma'am, कब से रुके हुए? आपका ट्रेन भी लेट है?
कल की ट्रेन थी हमारी और कल रात से हम रुके हुए हैं। स्वतंत्र हमें और अभी 11:30 बजे का टाइम दे रखा है आने को। देखो अभी आ रही है नहीं आ रही है।
और पैसेंजर्स लाइक दिस, आप लोग किसी का ट्रेन लेट है यहाँ पे सर? किसी का लेट है?
हाँ मैडम जी, स्वतंत्रता सेनानी से दरभंगा के लिए जाना था और वो 8:30 बजे की गाड़ी है। अब उसको 11:50 कर दिया था और अब जो है इस टाइम बता रहे हैं 2:30 बजे जाएगी।
वो बता रहे हैं क्यों लेट?
नहीं लेट वो मौसम की वजह से बता रहे हैं, काफ़ी धुंध है इसी वजह से लेट है काफ़ी। तो जो कल की ट्रेन थी 8:30 बजे की, वो 2:30 बजे के आसपास बता रहे थे, तो काफ़ी डिले हो रहा है।
आपको उम्मीद है अभी टाइम पे निकलेगी जो अभी 2:30 बजे का ट्रेन आपको बोल रहे हैं?
अब उम्मीद भी है हम, तो अब देखते हैं क्या होता है।
मौसम के
सिस्टर की शादी है, अर्जेंटली पहुँचना है लेकिन लग नहीं रही पहुँच पाएंगे अब, तो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है काफ़ी।
So you heard them, people have to attend weddings, people need to reach places for important priorities, works, engagements they need to catch up with. They're not able to leave. They're waiting patiently in New Delhi railway station to catch up their train with. Since there are many passengers here in New Delhi railway station, that is why they cannot address every passenger here. Officials are saying read the board and find out. Continuous announcements are also made for these passengers so that they know when will their train leave or depart from this station. As well as as far as the Met department is concerned, they are predicting that this kind of weather conditions are expected for the next few days. So we definitely can expect more of flight delays, more of train delays. Only weather can speak and only weather can say how smooth can it function and how soon can it function smooth. With camera person Dharmendra, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today.